Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Amish macaroni salad. It is crunchy, creamy, tangy. It will be the perfect dish to take to your next gathering, and it will be the first to vanish. Now hang out with us and I'll show you how to pull this together. Now let's stir the pot. To start the Amish macaroni salad, you'll take 2 cups of elbow noodles and add it to a pot of salted water. Bring it, of course, to a boil before you put those noodles in. You will want to watch these. I like mine not so soggy. So, what's the word, Ron?
Al dente.
Al dente.
A little bit over al dente.
Yes. So keep a watch on those. Should take about, I would say, 9 minutes. While that is cooking, we are going to make our sauce. So we will start off with 1.5 to 2 cups of mayonnaise. I am using Duke's. I am from the South, and there's no other kind of mayonnaise except for Duke's. So what makes Amish macaroni salad different from any other macaroni salad? It's the dressing. So your dressing for Amish is a little bit tangier than a regular macaroni salad. And you'll see why as I add these ingredients. Got the mayonnaise in here. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. The mustard and the vinegar. This is 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of the pickle juice. So this brings that tang to the Amish macaroni salad. Now we will add a little bit of sugar, because if your food doesn't taste like your grandmother's did, it's because you didn't have any sugar. So we have a little bit of sugar. We have 2 tablespoons. Now this will not make this sweet, but it will break a little bit of the tang. How much? It's still going to be very tangy. And then lastly, for the dressing, we're going to add some freshly chopped parsley. You can add as much or as little as you wish. Then we're going to set this aside and wait for these macaroni noodles to get done. After your macaroni has finished cooking, you will drain it and you will rinse it in cold water. And I've just added it to this large bowl so that we can mix things up. We will be adding some vegetables to this and some dill pickles. So we'll start with the dill pickles. The ingredients will be down in the description, or the measurements on the ingredients. We'll be adding some red pepper. This will bring the freshness and the crunchiness to this macaroni salad. This is some celery. We will be adding some grated carrots. You can add as much vegetables as you like, or you can add as little as you like. Some green peppers. And then lastly, some red onion. Isn't that beautiful, folks? So now we will be pulling it together. I'll be adding the dressing to it. And you guys, you see how simple this is. And it is going to be so delicious. It will beat any of the grocery store macaroni salad that you buy. This is an excellent base macaroni salad too. And you can add different ingredients, and we do from time to time. So look how gorgeous this is. You'll notice I didn't add quite all of my dressing. I have some left over, and I will put that in the refrigerator because sometimes when it sits in the refrigerator, it gets a little dry, and I want to make sure that this is nice and creamy when I serve it. Now we'll be adding our eggs. So we have two boiled eggs here that we just boiled and chopped. It's a hard boil. We'll fold these in. This is a beautiful salad, guys. And then you will add salt and pepper to your liking. So I like a little bit more pepper and a little bit less salt. Now we have added this to a large bowl. We did top it with a little bit of smoked paprika, which is one of my favorite spices, and it is so delicious on this Amish macaroni salad. So, of course, after you fix something, you've got to taste it before anyone else does. So let's give this a try. I think I can eat this whole bowl. This is the last macaroni salad recipe that you will need. Guys, give us a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and also hit that bell for notifications so that you get all of our recipes when they post. And if you like this Amish macaroni salad, check the card at the end. We have a delicious Amish potato salad. Until next time, stir the pot.